everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a little bit late, it's almost 4 o'clock, but we are Christmas decorating. Andrew's bringing up the decorations. Once he does, we will get right into it. Okay, first we have to move this bed frame that has been sitting here for 2 weeks. And we gotta pick up our coats because my dad is supposed to pick it up because my parents are gonna take it. Anyway, so we gotta move that out of the way, clean up a little bit. Walter, so funny. Can you see him? I had this IKEA lunch bag and I was scaring him with it, and now he's like really scared. Anyway, so I'm gonna put the bed away. Oh, they're so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna put the bed in the kitchen for now until my dad picks it up so we can get the space all cleared and ready. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so we moved the bed and I Swiffered the whole area and taking you along. Don't really know where to put the tree. So we have this shelf now, which we didn't have last year. I've got to take all the the fall decorations down. But basically, we need to find a good place to put it. I'm thinking maybe here, even though it's in front of the bookshelf. I don't know. Okay. Movies. We're trying to look for Christmas movies. Andrew has to work, so I'm just putting up the tree and I'm fluffing it, but it looks so empty in this like middle spot. Do you see?
Yeah.
It's like so empty right there. Ah! Okay, I'm still pretty sold with it being right there. Are you okay with it in the corner there? Cool, cool, cool. Anyways, I gotta figure out how to fluff this bad boy. Yay! We are all good. There it is. There she is. Okay, that's looking much better. That's a trailer? Okay. The only thing is I need to figure out then what I'm gonna put here. Maybe I'll bring the blankets out from back there. Okay. Okay guys, we think we decided leaving it here only because our couch is gonna probably be moved. We tried moving it, but we moved the carpet way too far over. Annoying. Anyways, we turn on White Christmas. We always watch, don't mind this. We always watch White Christmas when we're setting up the tree, right? Right. Anyways, so that's where it's gonna live. So I gotta set the timer so it'll turn on every day. Fun fact, I made these gold glittery balls. I used, what's this? It's like window cleaner or something. This angle's so bad. And you pour it in, and then you pour sparkles in, and voila. I couldn't find any ones that I liked, and so I made these about 3 years ago. Maybe 4, actually. Oh, mementos. We have taken a short break to go and have dinner. A little dinner date. And then we'll resume decorating. I love Christmas. I just feel like it just makes everything so, like decorations just makes everything so much happier. Don't you think? Yeah, so much happier. And it makes coming home more like, I don't know, it's cozy and it helps build the excitement. Christmas is by far my favorite holiday. What's your guys' favorite holiday? We always talk about what our least favorite holiday. We do like, we've done the least to favorite and then favorite to the least, whatever. So my favorites are Christmas is number 1. Then what else? What did I say was my second favorite holiday? Thanksgiving. I think it goes Christmas, Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and then July 1st holiday. That would be like, those are my top 3 in order. Okay, we are back from dinner. It's a lot later than we expected it. Hi, buddy, come. Give me a kiss. Yes. It's a lot later than we expected it to be, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep cleaning. Are you cold? Or not cleaning, decorating. The tree is finito. I was saying before, I wish the carpet didn't come out so far, but we can't really do anything about that because we need people to help move it. But it looks so pretty. So now I just have to decorate on top of here. We have some of these. I have this from years ago. Get rid of that. And we are almost done. I'm putting away the other decorations. I'll switch out the pillowcases. It is going to be very beautiful. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished decorating. The tree is up. As you saw, this stuff is done. And I finally got the pillows ready. I'm missing one pillow, so I'll probably go back to IKEA sometime this week and pick up another pillow for the pillowcase. Excuse my hair. And I don't know where I'm gonna hang those stars, if they're even gonna work. I may return them. So, but I will show you the pillows. So here is the one plaid, And it's got green. It's kind of hard to see, but there's green in that. And then here's the other one. I think they're really cute. When I have some more Christmas pillows, I think it'll look better. I have like this North Pole one that's gonna go there, but it's in the basement. And then I'll add another cushion on that side. And that will be that. But I am loving it. I still don't know where I'm gonna put the lantern yet either, but I have time. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that these Christmas decorations are up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've already put up your Christmas decorations. I know I'm early, but I just can't help myself. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!